Hi everyone, this is Samay. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. My daughter is making cookie today. Her cookie is the best. Super soft and chewy. I love it. Okay, she will be taking over now.
Hi everyone, this is SoPip. Let's get started. Our first step is making a cake flour substitute. If you have cake flour, you can skip this step. In this step, I am removing 2 tablespoons of flour and replacing it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The regular cookies will cook for 9 to 12 minutes or until lightly brown. These cookies will continue to cook during the cooling process. For the jumbo cookies, the cook time is 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly brown. And that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. And my mom told me to say like, share, and subscribe, or else I'm not going to be allowed to make any more videos. Mama, I'm done.